Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. In this video, we are going to do yoga animal for kids, so grab your kids and we'll get on the mat. Okay, the first animal we are going to start in is a sleepy bunny. Can you be a sleepy bunny? Sit back on your heels and then let your head be on the mat. Sleepy bunny. Take a deep breath and then exhale. Good job. The next pose we are going to do is cow pose. You do on your hands and knees, you drop your belly, say moo. Moo. Good job. Next, we're going to do cat pose. So we're still on our hands and our knees, but we're going to stretch our back up towards the sky, pressing our belly up, 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 and then you can let your head hang heavy. Meow, 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 meow. Good job. Okay, next we're going to do dog pose or down dog. We press our tailbone towards the sky. And what does a doggy say, everybody? Woof, 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 woof. Good job. Woof, woof, woof.
I've been a crazy dog.
A crazy dog. Next, we're going to do frog jumps. Can you be a frog?
Yeah.
Go. Ribbit.
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 Ribbit. Let's do one more. Ribbit.
Ribbit. Let's do it one more together.
One more together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ribbit. I did with you.
Good job. Okay, now can we be tall giraffes? We're going to stand up, then stand all the way on our tippy toes, and then arms up tall, tall like a giraffe.
Wah.
Is that what a giraffe says?
Yeah, wah.
Wah.
That's my giraffe pose. The giraffe say wah.
Can you get a little bit taller? Tall, tall, tall. Good job. Now we get to be flamingos. So start with one foot on the floor, put the other foot on your calf, just below your knee. And you can extend your arms out long and stand like a flamingo. Good job. This one practices our balance. Now can we try putting the other foot on the mat and the
Yeah.
other foot up on our leg? Do flamingo on the other side. Good job. Look at that balance. You did good. High five. Let's do high five to them. Ready? High five. Good job. Okay, now take your feet out wide. And then we're going to fold forward and hang upside down like a bat. Can you hang upside down like a bat? Grab your arms like this. Or you could tuck your wings under. Are we upside down like bats?
Yeah.
Good job. What about you guys at home? Are you upside down like bats? You could do it this way and say, hi.
Hi.
Whoa. Hi. Hi, other bat. We're going to keep our feet out wide for this next one. Then we're going to take our arms straight up high like a starfish. And we're going to pretend we're stuck to a boat or stuck to a rock. What does starfish say?
Listen. We say blue, blue,
Bloop, bloop, because they're under the water, huh?
blue,
Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, next we're going to go down to the ground and be a snake. Stretch your legs out long.
Yeah.
And then put your hands right under your shoulders and lift your torso, lift your chest off the mat and say, Now we're gonna press yourself all the way up on your hands like a seal. Do you know what a seal says?
Bo.
Arr, 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 arr. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna sit on our bottoms and put our feet together and make a butterfly. Emily learned a song at her gymnastics class about butterflies. Should we sing it for them?
Yeah.
Butterfly, butterfly, flap, flap, flap. Butterfly, butterfly, take a nap. Okay, you guys can face me, but I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me better. We're going to keep our butterfly wings, but we're going to add our stingers. Can you add a stinger behind you like that? And now we're going to be bees. Bzzz, bzzz, bzzz. Good job.
Then let's do sting parts too.
The stinging parts? Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Can you sting your neighbor? Gotcha.
I got you.
Got me. Okay, now we're gonna roll onto our backs with our feet in the sky like a baby bear. Say ha 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 ha. Roar. Can you growl like a baby bear?
Wow.
Roar.
Wow.
Roar. Okay, now can you curl up into a ball like a roly-poly? Roly-poly. Roly-poly. Can you roll at home? Can you rock back? And then rock back up to your seat. Roly-poly. If that one's kind of tough, should we show how the mom or dad can help?
Yeah.
Can you roll back? Rock back? Roly-poly. Do it again. Roly-poly. Good job. After you're done rolling, rock all the way onto your back like a sleepy sloth. Move really slow like a sloth and get one leg stretched out, then the other leg stretched out, then your head down and your hands facing up, and drift off to sleep like a slow, sleepy sloth. Close your eyes. Take a big breath in, fill up your belly. Big breath out. Good job. You roll to one side.
I'm up, Mom.
And then press yourself up onto your seat. Cross your legs. Bring your hands to heart center. And what do we say at the end of a yoga class?
Namaste.
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 Good job! We did it! Good job, Emmy! Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Leave some comments down below. What do you want them to comment below? Do you want them to comment their favorite color or their favorite animal?
Their favorite animal.
Their favorite animal. I think that makes sense, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!
Bye.